Hi everyone, Rachel Willow here. So I just wanted to hop on and talk about this planter behind me that I do every year. So every year I change out the base of the flowers and put in different ones. But the main part of the planter is actually a tiki torch. So what you can see here is this is an outdoor planter that I got from Home Depot. You can get them from Lowe's too. And then, so they're not completely filled with soil, I added in some bricks, some rocks around the garden. That also helps with water drainage for the plants, but also makes it that you're not having to fill the entire planter up with soil, which can add up and get quite heavy. But so as you fill it up with the bricks, I put the tiki torch in. You could also do a solar light or a post for string lights. We use a tiki torch though because we have plenty of light on our patio from overhead solar lights and just a general patio light. So also I have some sweet blood and the bugs love me, so as many ways to get rid of the bugs and make sure they don't bite me, the better. So we did citronella tiki torches. So you put that in, then fill it with the soil, and then add the plants. And so you can see kind of here, I just put in the plants, so they still need to fill in, but what you get is this beautiful planter. And then it also is utilized to add some light to your patio, some nice aesthetic appeal, and to keep away the bugs. So yeah, this is just a quick video to say, you know, I get tons of people who come over and love the pots that I do, so I just wanted to let you guys know how I did them. Have a great day. Bye.